everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to be opening my Hoshiikins box. I purchased this at the end of November and it's currently December 22nd, so just in time for Christmas. It got to me this late because I asked her to add something to them, which she did, and it was so sweet of her too. So that's what. Oh no! My box has a boo-boo. But I'm sure it's fine inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So first we got some bubble wrap. And it's so cute. It has a little like Christmas bow. It's a present to me from me. Like really trying to. Damn it. First of all, let's just, because why not? So there's this like little, I almost said Halloween when I meant holiday, like Santa goodie bag with Santa, reindeer. I also meant to say Christmas, but I couldn't think of the word, even though it's in like 3 days. Yes, at least I counted the days right now. Oh, it kind of sticks better to my skin. Oh yes. And this little note on a gold tag that says, "Michelle, thank you. I hope this set brings you lots of joy. Happy holidays. Love, Sam." So cute. And there's these like little like it says Santa approved, guaranteed. So cute. These little like stickers or something. Yeah, they're like little stickers. So cute. I literally just like dumped it all out to put it back in. Oh my god. Okay, her new business card is so pretty. I'm very into aesthetics and graphic design. Oh my god, I just forgot that I had this and I was like, what is that? It's so pretty. It's like, it's got like kind of like a gold foil. It's very, ooh, there's also a brush in here, which is very nice to use for my tail and whatnot. Oh, it's from Daiso. Yes, I have always wanted to go to Daiso. Is that weird? I don't know, I just always hear about it from Whaley. So. Maybe not for my hair, but so cute. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. I didn't even know that there were little crystals on the back. Oh my god. I even considered honestly getting more crystals, but I was like, maybe that's a little too much, just by a little bit. But I did ask her for these little freckles, which are super cute. I think that's focused, honestly, I can't really tell. So I asked her to add a few blue freckles, and she was so kind to do so, and she added some. Oh, I just hit myself in the eye with this bell. She added some on the back too. They're precious. Oh my god, it's so soft. Okay. Okay, now the moment that we have all, or I have at least been waiting for. They're so cute. I seriously love this little detail. I feel like it looks so cute against my hair too. Heart. I need to take this off. It's kind of irritating me. Let me put the halo on. Oh, that is precious. I'm probably gonna wear it mostly without the halo, but like, it's so adorable. I need to stop. I can't even speak anymore. Moving on to the tail. Oh my god. I just poked myself in the nose with the fur. Classic. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can we just talk about her tag? So official. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. That is such a nice detail. I'm in love with that. Fur is so long that it's just everywhere right now. Oh, oh, it's so soft though. I'm gonna drown in this fur. Okay, I don't want to get my makeup on it now that I think about that. It is white and I'm wearing foundation, so I probably shouldn't rub it all over my face, but... Oh, this bow is so pretty too. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. Well, I'm gonna go now and like drown in this fur. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Maybe. I don't know. Bye!